Are you guys ready to see my room? This is the overwater villa, or should I say the overwater pool villa at Lobigili. It's absolutely gorgeous. So you can actually go snorkeling right from your villa. Some people are actually out there at the moment, and there's a house reef, which is so nice. Got a nice welcome message as well, and some hats, which is pretty fun. And then underneath the coffee table, you can actually see down below to the water. Let's go look at the bathroom. What? This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay, huge bathtub, which I love. Water on either side. Oh, and a hammock. Oh, that's so nice. Do you know what? The resort is absolutely gorgeous from what I've seen already. But they have designed it so you can actually just stay in your villa and relax if you want to. I am on my way to lunch at Ylang. I'm not normally a hat person, but all of the rooms come with hats and bags actually as well. So I'm making use of that. And I think I'm going to have sushi for lunch. I'm addicted to sushi. And it's what I've been having most lunches during the stay. Hello, chef.
Hi.
So good. I feel like I'm being spoiled having sushi for lunch every day. And this crab as well. So they have different menus every day for lunchtime. And I'm a big fan of crab. So this is making me very happy, especially with this view. Good morning! I have just woken up at Lobigili and it is an absolutely beautiful day today. I set my alarm nice and early because I wanted to make the most of it. And the sun is out, the water's looking so turquoise, which is gorgeous. And I've got a few bits planned today. I've decided I want to go on a dive. Obviously the Maldives is one of the best places in the world for diving. And I absolutely love doing it. So I've got that planned. I'm also going to go to the spa, but first on the agenda is breakfast. This has to be one of the nicest spa areas that I've ever seen. This is actually the relaxation area in front of the spa. So before or after you've had your treatment, you can come and relax here, watch the turquoise waters. It's great. Thank you so much. So I've opted to have the Balinese massage with coconut oil, and I'll show you guys the treatment room, but then I'll have to see you later on. I feel very relaxed now after that massage, and now I've got some ginger tea, and I'm going to relax here for a little bit before heading to do my scuba dive. I always thought it was a bit of a cliche to do a floating breakfast, but you know, maybe I'm a convert because this looks so pretty. It is my final morning at Lobigili. It's about 8 o'clock and they've come and prepared this feast, but it's all actually things that I've selected. They gave me the menu a couple of days ago and I chose items that I would be eating. I didn't want to waste anything. And what a place to have it as well.